Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to increase your power 2x faster in Last Z Survival Shooter. Alright, let's begin. If you want to double your combat power quickly, you need to focus on the right priorities. First, always upgrade your headquarters. The headquarters unlocks almost everything in the game, so it should never fall behind. Along with it, keep upgrading important buildings like the laboratory, Alliance Center, troop camps, and city walls. Third, focus heavily on research. Prioritize development and economic research to gain long-term benefits. Alliance-related research is also important because it increases rewards and helps you score better in Alliance events. Fourth, train higher-level troops as much as possible. Stronger troops directly increase your overall power and combat strength. Fifth, invest in heroes and their gear. Upgrade your heroes regularly and aim to equip them with orange-tier equipment for maximum stats. Strong heroes make a major difference in battles and overall power. Bonus tips: join a strong alliance and participate in daily events and level up your VIP to gain extra rewards. Following these steps consistently will increase your power much faster. So that's basically how you can increase your power 2x faster in Last Z Survival Shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.